Everyone, welcome to homework 2.11. In this homework, you're looking at making predictions. So read the text and then use the steps listed on this previous page to predict what will happen next. So here we're going to read the passage and then we're going to think about using these steps, what will happen next. Okay, so Elijah was excited. Grandpa was visiting today, and he had a special treat for Elijah. Grandpa carried two long poles. He also had a big box. In the box were hooks and bait. There was a ball of thin, clear line. There were two small nets, and Grandpa was wearing his lucky hat. It had colorful fish and seashells painted on it. Hi, Elijah, Grandpa said. Are you ready to go? Based on what you have read, what will Elijah Grandpa do next? So you have lots of clues about the box, the two poles, they have hooks and bait. There's a thin, clear line and two small nets. He has a hat with fish on it, right? So what makes the most sense here is that they will likely go fishing. Right. It says, think about your answer to question one. How did these steps help you to figure it out? So I read that they, for example, actually, let me use the text box for this. Here we go. It'll just be easier to write. They had two long poles, hooks, and bait, and two small nets. And so then I know that people use poles and bait to catch fish. I'm pretty sure that maybe if you're not sure about the clear thin line, I'm pretty sure that the nothing, clear line is used to put the hook on. And then what will happen next? This is your own guess. So my guess is that Elijah will go fishing with Grandpa and catch some fish. Okay? All right. Let's look at the next one. There was a new girl in Mina's class. The new girl was quiet. She was shy. She did not talk much in class. Mina saw that the new girl walked to school alone. She ate lunch alone too. Mina thought it is not fun to be alone all the time. Then Mina had an idea. The next morning, Mina woke up. She got ready for school. She left the house. She started walking to school. She saw the new girl walking too. Mina thought, it is time to try my idea. Based on what you have read, what will Mina do next? Will Mina spend all of her time alone? Will she go back home? Will she ask the teacher to help the new girl? Or will Mina walk to school with the new girl? So in our text, we said Mina thinks it's not fun to be alone all the time. She's getting ready to school and the new girl's walking too. So most likely D is going to be our best answer option. So we're going to again use these steps. So I read that there is a new girl and she does things all alone. I know that Mina says it is not fun to be alone all the time and has an idea. I'm pretty sure that Mina is a thoughtful and kind person. We might have this idea because she notices something about this other girl. And then what will happen next? My guess is that Mina will walk with the new girl and become her friend. Okay, so these are all about making predictions. You do this a lot when you're writing narratives and you have to finish the story, right? Based on everything in the text, what will most likely happen next? All right, that's it for homework 2.11. If you have questions, reach out.